One head is still up.
Look, that does look like an emu.
Can you see it?
I can't now. It's closer.
Dude, are those like ostriches?
That's
Dude, those are like freaking ostriches. They can't run. I mean, they can run, but they can't fly.
If they kick us and they're
Yeah, they're probably geese, so they might be able to fly.
Wait, wanna book it now?
Okay, like right now.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let's just stand up.
Let me zoom out.
Hold on. Okay, ready? Are you recording?
Okay.
Book it in 3, 2, come on. Let's go!
It flew away. Goodbye, birdies.
Oh, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
Wow! What's a big bird?
Okay.